Okay, I've just realised I'm about to run out of filament here, so I've just stopped the printer. I'm just going to take the filament back out. I really don't want to run out of filament in the middle of this print, which seems to be working. Obviously, if you are watching, you have got any questions, just drop me a message down below. I will answer any questions as best as I can. Currently, nobody is watching, so not a problem. That's a bit too easy. Just going to move the camera a little bit, just while I'm here. I'm just replacing the filament at the moment because I was just about to run out mid-print. Yeah, just bear with me. I've got the... It's not, it's actually... Oh, it is black and white. No filter. There we go, back to the colour. I do apologise about that, viewers. And... sorry about that. I accidentally hit a filter. Just trying to balance the camera back up, which is very, very difficult considering I'm only using a little tripod to balance my tablet. There we go. It is still a live video feed. Right, so I'm changing the filament on this 3D printer at the moment, because at the moment it's about to run out. And to be fair, the last thing I wanted is for this to run out, because it's about a 2-hour print. We're about an hour and 17 minutes in, and I don't really fancy having to start again from scratch. I'll be honest, this is not the easiest task. Whoever decided that this is the best way to load filament into a 3D printer probably needs to reassess their life choices. Aaron, this is a 3D printer. It's the Creality Ender 3. This is one of the ones that is at Teesside Hackspace, which I've become a member of, enabling me to do all sorts of 3D prints. That feels like it's in. Yeah, that seems good. Just push the filament through. is I need to change the temperature on the nozzle, because obviously it's gone cold again. Preheat the end. Yeah, so basically it's at 30 degrees at the moment, it should be at like 200. I'm just hoping I can salvage this print. Hope I've not just completely knackered it. Right, 70, 82. So I might as well prepare the bed, because I'm going to be setting it to go again in a few minutes. Okay, that wasn't what I was expecting to do. I thought the filament was in the right place, but clearly it wasn't. Is that in the right place? No. Oh, now it is, that's it. It's in the hole. Finally got it in the hole. Oh, have I? So, yep, that's it. So now I've just changed the filament. It's pushed all the way through. So hopefully now if I restart my print, it'll pause print. Yeah, I think I might have just completely knackered my print. It's not supposed to do that, folks. I'm going to stop my print. I'm going to abort it because, unfortunately, changing the filament halfway through a print is probably the worst thing you can do. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this to go home. That's what I should have done. I should have set it to go home and then restarted the print. Unfortunately. Right, so what I need to do is, if I disable the steppers, I should be able to pull the bed forward. Oops. It's a shame because that was about an hour into the print, unfortunately. Which I would have left had it did it if it had enough filament to complete, but it didn't. So sadly, another 3 for the bin. But we can start again. Just going to give the bed a little bit of a scrape to give it a clean. Prepare. Right, reheat, preheat it again, bad. Prepare. Preheat the nozzle. And what I'm going to do, little hint I picked up, don't know if this is official, but a little bit of glue stick. Just wipe it on the bed, and it just helps with the adhesion of the first layer. Obviously in new modern printers it's probably not needed, but obviously this being an older model, this is probably one of the earliest sort of commercially available 3D printers, Ender free. It's just one of these little sort of hacks that you pick up. Yeah, so that should go in a few minutes. So keep watching it. Thank you for joining me on my first live stream here on Darlingborough Sci-Fi builds. Just thought I'd share a little bit of upcoming project with you. Something that I'm planning for the future. Something that isn't a diorama. Well, it's more of a model. Oh, here we go. So what happens is it goes to this bit here. I'll just put that there. And it just spits out a little bit of filament. Wipes it along the side. And it's basically just a way of kind of clearing out any kind of filament that may be stuck or like stuck to the nozzle. And then it takes it through to the start point. And then at the moment it's printing what's called a skirt. It's again just a way of getting the nozzle prepared, making sure it's going to adhere to the plate before it starts printing. And then hopefully that looks like it's stuck nice and well. Get to about there, and it should start printing the actual model itself. So it does 3 laps of the skirt, and then that's it, starting to print the model. I'm just checking, it looks like it's got some good stick, so hopefully that will be fine. But the build is currently at 2 minutes in, and the duration is about 2 hours 14 to print these parts off. Obviously, if you have got any questions, by all means leave a comment in the chat and I will do my best to try and answer them for you. So yeah, if my viewers who are joined in want to watch me 3D print a part, then you can sit and watch this for the next 2 hours. If not, just leave me a comment and I'll end the stream at some point. Or if you want to see what I'm printing, have an exclusive early access, then again, leave me a comment. So in case you are wondering what I'm printing, I've got 3 parts printing, and I will show you what they are. So this is the first part. Just get that in the camera there for you. And as you can see, it's like a sort of round thing. Don't know how well you can see that. It's got a couple of little lines on the side. And then I'm printing 2 of these. I'll get that in focus for you. And it's actually going to fit into here. And that bit clips in there. And that bit clips into there. So it's actually the big chunky axle of a 4-wheel drive RV vehicle which I'm building. But anyway, I will log off now. Thank you for watching. And I'm sorry it's not particularly interesting. But I just thought anyone who's interested in 3D printing might be interested in watching it. Till then, look after each other. I will be back. Keep a lookout on the channel for future builds.